A popular street food from Southeast Asia, we're making Mee Goreng. That's so good, the flavor's crazy. Mee Goreng is a super popular noodle dish that can be found all across Southeast Asia. I'm talking places like Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. They all have their own versions. And today I'm going to share with you my version, which has a ton of seafood. Now these noodles are garlicky, they have tons of shallots, it's spicy, tangy, all the good things. And the very first thing that I'm going to do is prep our sauce. So to a bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup, some oyster sauce, some sweet soy sauce, also known as kecap, as well as some water, some sugar, and some salt to taste. I'm gonna give the sauce a nice whisk. Now that our sauce is prepped, we're heading straight to the wok. This is a fast and furious process and creates the most magical, delicious noodles in no time. To a wok, I'm gonna add some canola oil. Once it's nice and hot, I'm gonna add in some sambal oelek, garlic, as well as some thinly sliced shallots. Now we're gonna cook these out for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the sambal oelek reduces down and the garlic and shallots are nice and fragrant. This is going to be a seafood mee goreng, so of course I want a nice selection. I have some shrimp, calamari, as well as fish cakes. They're all gonna go into the wok and I'm gonna saute them off until the shrimp have turned pink. Now let's talk noodles. For this dish, we're using Chinese yellow noodles, and these can be found in a package like this in the refrigerated aisle of the Asian grocery store. So they're gonna go in, as well as some chopped choy and the sauce that we made earlier. Now I'm gonna stir fry this all on high until the sauce is well incorporated and the choy has cooked down. The thing I love about mee goreng is that it always has a bit of egg in it. So I'm just gonna shift my noodles to one side of the wok and add in a couple of whisked eggs to the side. We're gonna let those eggs slightly set, and then I'm gonna scramble them and fold them into the noodles so that they're well incorporated. Last but not least, I'm gonna sprinkle in some fresh bean sprouts and fold them into the noodles until they've just wilted. And just like that, our seafood mee goreng is ready. This kitchen smells spicy. Let's see how much heat I'm in for. Let's twirl those noodles. Oh, look at that, a little piece of shrimp. This is gonna be a big bite, I know. That's so good. The flavor's crazy. I love how the flavors come together on this dish. On first bite, you get those springy noodles that are coated in the sauce. You get that little bit of ketchup, the sweetness of the soy coming through, as well as that oyster sauce. And I love the chili in the sambal oelek. It's there, but it's not crazy spicy, and it's complemented so well by the garlic, that little bit of shallot as well, and the seafood is cooked to perfection. The next time you want to do a noodle dish that's a little different from another part of the world, consider mee goreng. It comes together in under 15 minutes, making it the perfect weeknight meal.